In this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp chat, a step-by-step WhatsApp chat book without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp AI too. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp, a WhatsApp chat bot tutorial. So if you are using Android phone, first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, make sure you go to your App Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store because I'm using Android phone. So I'm going to click on Play Store. After click on your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to make use of search app, and then you have to type in WhatsApp, then click on search. So it has to be this type of WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp, not business WhatsApp in this case. So when you open the WhatsApp messenger like this, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So as you can see right here, I have already updated this WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp is not updated, make sure you update the WhatsApp before you can see Meta AI WhatsApp. So having updated your WhatsApp successful, next thing you want to do is to simply click on open. I'm going to click on open right here. So you can see it right here. Now, immediately you update your WhatsApp successful or you create a new WhatsApp account, you are going to have this icon. This is AI Meta for WhatsApp chat. Okay, then you're going to see the icon here also. This is the rightful logo of AI Meta. Okay, now let's see how we can use this AI Meta on WhatsApp. So first thing first, you need to click on here, the search type right there. So click on that search bar. Then this allows you to type in a keyword, whether you are looking for images or you want to write hard copy or what have you. So right here, we want to see how we can generate images using Meta AI as a first example. So I will just say create a giant sea turtle. Okay, then I'll click on search. So right here, get answer to any questions, express yourself in images to share with anyone, etc. Personal messages stay private. Okay, what you need to do here is just click on continue to activate. Boom. So it takes you to this particular page. So let's see the result. You can see it. It's going to generate a very high quality image for you. Then I will continue with my question here. State that, can you make it happy 50%? Then I'll click on send. Okay, can you make it happy 100% or 200%? Check it out. So it's another one. Can you make it smile? Smile. Send. So it's not giving me what I want right here. Anyway, so we can try another image. Can you please create an African images of children? So let's just send that. So take a look at it. So it quickly generates a very high resolution image of African child playing game. Okay, now this is just a simple way by which you can use to generate image with WhatsApp AI chat. Okay, so let's quickly see how we can use this AI meta to write short Facebook posts. I will say write a short Facebook post for a topic Ramadan Tafsir. Then send. So you can see, as we embark on this blessing month, let us do, so you can see it quickly write it as simple as that. So we can also use it to write email copy. Okay, so what I will do is to just paste my prompt right here, and here is the prompt. I want to write an email. Please write some samples email to confirm information and get people to act fast. The purpose and plan are as follow. I'm in need of 3,000 pieces of latest Adidas clothes and I wish to get it in a couple of months. So I will just send, and let's see the mail copy. Check it out. In few minutes, it's going to write everything. Then here, you can modify and use any template of your choice. Like the first one here states that, dear, in bracket, the supplier name. I hope this may find you well. I'm reaching out to you to inquire about obtaining 3,000 pieces of the latest Adidas clothing. I need a quote for the total cost, including any applicable discounts and information on the estimated delivery time. Please provide the quote at your earliest convenience, as I am aim to place an order within the next 2 weeks and I receive the shipment within a couple of months. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Best regard, then your name. Then this is the second one. Follow up on quotation. So you can see, you can read it, and then the last one here is placing an order. So this is how to use it to create an email copy. Okay, so let's see how to use AI Meta WhatsApp to solve simple mathematics question. Okay, I will just paste my prompt right here, and I want you to play a math teacher. I will provide some math questions and it is your job to solve them. This may include provide step-by-step instruction for solving the problem. My first question is, can you please tell me how to write question in math? So I will just send. Let's see the result. Take a look at it. So we are using this AI to solve a mathematics question. So it states that as a math teacher, I will be happy to help you with that. When writing a math question, it is important to clear and concise. Here are some tips. Start with a question, word, or phrase such as solve for, find, what is, or calculate. As you can see. Then write the question and expression you want to solve using proper mathematical notation, e.g., equal to, plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. Use variable letters, symbols to express unknown values. Keep the question concise and focus on a single problem or concept. Here is an example of well-written math question. Solve for x. 2x plus 5 equal to 11. Or find the value of y. 4y minus 2 equal to 16. So it's as simple as that. So let's just let's just copy one of the question right here. So let's say find the value of y. 4y minus 2 equal to 16. Then let's send. So, great question. Let us solve for y step by step. 1. Add 2 to both sides of the equation. So you can see. So 4y minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 16 plus 2. Simplify. 4y is equal to 18. Divide both sides of the equation by 4. So you have this. So 4y in brackets over 4 equal to 18 over 4. This simplifies to y is equal to 18 over 4. That is y is equal to 4.5. Therefore, the value of y is 4.5. It's as simple as that. Is this not amazing? So this is how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp to write text copy, to generate images, or to solve a mathematical question. You can actually use it for anything as far as this Meta AI is concerned. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can actually use Meta AI in WhatsApp chatbot, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.